Okay, let's focus on the concentration, mole per dm cube, and capital M, the symbol is number of moles, mole, and the symbol is small n. So recall the formula n equals to mv divided by 1000. Very useful. Whenever you see mole per dm cube, is definitely this formula. Remember the v is in cm cube. Most 98% of the questions are given in cm cube, so do not worry. So let's look at some of the example. Question 1. Find number of moles of HCl, hydrochloric acid, if the acid has a concentration of 2 mole per dm cube and it has 100 cm cube. So from the unit, once you see mole per dm cube, you know, oh, capital M, and 100 cm cube is V for volume. So recall the formula, n equals to mv over 1000. So just put in the formula 2 times 100 in cm cube divided by 1000. So simple maths, 0.2 mole. So next question. Find concentration of H2SO4, sulfuric acid, with 5 mole, 5 mole and 50 cm cube of the sulfuric acid. So look at the units, 5 mole and then 50 cm cube. So you recall the formula n equals to mv over 1000. So to find concentration is the capital M. You just rearrange, or you can substitute into the formula, you see, and then just rearrange the numbers. 5 times 1000 divided by 50. So you get the concentration, 100 mole per dm cube. So once again, another formula or another way is, this is actually easier, concentration is mole per dm cube, which means capital M is the mole divided by the volume. So just substitute 5 mole divided by the volume, 50 cm cube. Remember to change it to dm cube. Since concentration is mole per dm cube, change it, 50 cm cube is 0.05 dm cube. So you substitute inside, also you get the same answer. So it depends which method is easier for you.